Hi everybody, Sanbonan. Welcome to Reality Bars TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Listen, you guys, listen. Yesterday I went live and I thought that I was on Reality Bars TV. Then later on, I'm realizing how what happened? I went live on Ntando Mamdleche instead of Reality Buzz TV. But listen, you guys, we're not lost because Ntando Mamdleche is our original home. So if you are wondering where the live is, it's on that channel. I did share it on this community post, Reality Buzz TV. Guys, listen. EH Pelisibuye, yabo. So after a tiring day of being everything to everybody, sometimes I'm a mistake science. So yes, I went live on a wrong channel, but it wasn't really wrong. Anyways, you guys, let's talk about this story right here. Oma Biyela Amahle Biyela is graduating, and I think the graduation is today from UKZN. I haven't been able to find out what the qualification is, but listen, you guys, it's a degree because it's UKZN. But anyways, you guys, I am so proud of these girls. I really am. Like, I'm a proud mama. Okay, I'm proud of these girls because they are getting it, they are doing it, even though they have reasons to be like, I don't really need to study, saying I'm selling, I don't need, they're doing it. Okay, even abo they did it, even though they could say, oh baba I'm selling, I don't need to study, they are doing it. Okay, I hope the others are following. Okay, we do know ukuthi uTerel uyafunda sis usibhekile nje ijazz silibhekile ijazz abantu mabeyoshada abashade namajazz abo. Okay, abantu mabeyoshada bashade namajazz abo abasebenza abantu ukuze at some point ukwazi ukuthi hambe yochama etoilet ngaphandle nale toilet ngaphandle hambe yochama kulona. Okay, so on this video I wanted to say congratulations to Amahle Biyela. What a job well done. Right after having a baby. Okay, she had a baby when last year. So that means that she was also completing her qualification last year. The fact that she was able to do it all, we congratulate her. Okay, intelligent girl. This is like this is like proof that as a woman you can be all kinds of intelligent. Okay, but when it comes to Mjolo, you can just make and it's like exactly umjolo nje can just make you, but ubuhlakaniphile but bekuze emjolweni uvele nje ukuthi you understand what I'm saying. But it doesn't matter. Okay, we don't understand why they're choosing Isthembu and Mpumelelo, but they must go in there with what amajazz up yabo ukuze nje bathi nganginoma mncane wami wayethi nginamajazz ami mina, nginamajazz ami back in the days ngakabajwayeli nabantu abanamajazz, athi nginamajazz ami mina, nginamajazz ami. Yes, so nabo fanele mabefika lapho kamse bathi nginamajazz ami. Yabona leyo nto. Mase bekuthathisa nje emzini uvele mase ethi ube umseleko gogo flow asamsokhuluma nogogo flow emsamo uvele uqoqa ijazi lakho. Uyabona uthi hood ufake isiqhoko hambi uyoguqa umsamo. Anyways, you guys, listen, congratulations to Amahle. I love it. You guys know. Education, jobs, okay? Education, jobs, businesses. Just get it for yourself. Whatever you need to do, get it for yourself. Have your own. Because as we can see now, we're not turning the same. Okay, it's a good idea to have your own. So congratulations to Amahle. Listen, you guys. People are saying that things have been worked out between Umayeni no Amahle because Mayeni at one point she commented on Amahle's post. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out if that was real. Okay, but if they did work things out, you guys, it will be great because I think Amahle is a nice girl. I think that the whole thing of Umayeni not being told about the Lobola situation was not her fault. Okay, so I hope they are able to work things out. But I do think it was wrong of Musamseleko and Mpumelelo to do that to Umayeni. But if they have worked things out, it's even better. But this video is saying congratulations. Okay, so even you sitting there having a qualification that is not finished, go and finish it. Okay, go and finish it. Me, I'm taking a break from the books. Okay, I'm taking a break. 2026 was just too much. Okay, but I do have something. Yabo. So now go and complete and have something, and then you understand. Anyways, guys, it's all jokes, guys. It's all jokes. But yes, siyayithanda ingane efundayo. Thank you so much. Nginithanda kakhulu.